बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। जी dear student, this is our first lecture of immunochemistry. We have already discussed all these details in our regular classes. Now I am just revising all these because you are at home. Maybe you have not picked up those lectures. Now I am just revising all these lectures. Now what is the need of immune system for the body? So now first slide, that is what is the immune system. The body have some defensive mechanism that working against various type of diseases. Maybe there is some organisms, maybe there is some malfunctionings of the cells, maybe there is any foreign material, maybe there is a venoms, maybe there is some other environmental particles that we enter in our body. So that is just to activate our immune systems. So now maybe there is viruses, maybe there is bacteria, there is fungus, maybe there is allergens. Allergens mean now in spring seasons there are various type of allergens. Most of the people that is show allergy against fragrances. There is various type of smells. Those produced by during the flowering of the plants. Maybe it is pollen grains. So this is a big cause of allergy. Allergy is also a type of reactions that activate your defensive body mechanisms against those chemicals, those produced during the allergy mechanisms. Now what is the first line of defense of our body? So this is, I told you, this one is the skin. The dead outer layer of the skin, that is known as epidermis. This is the first shield of line of defense of your body. So when there is any material particle, any foreign particle that attach your body, you are well familiar to these epidermis that just to work as a first line of defense. So maybe there is various type of chemicals release when there is any foreign particle. Maybe there is environmental particles. Maybe there is the other venoms, chemicals. Maybe there is when the wasp inject their venoms in your body. So these defense mechanism, the first line of defense, this is skins. That to these just to respond. To these secretes there is chemicals that kill the potential invaders. That kill the potential invaders. Maybe I have told you in the lectures, there is 40,000 to 50,000 of skin cells dead every day. First line of defense, I have told you that as you breathe, foreign particles and bacteria bumps into the mucus through your respiratory system and becomes stuck. Now, when you inhale, there is a dust particle, maybe there is any other environmental pollutant, so your body responds. When you inhale through your nasal cavity or nostrils, so you can easily understand what is inside those inhaled air that contain various type of irritants that produce irritation. So this is basically the activation of first line of defense of your body. So that is basically the present in your there is nostrils. So that is you are familiar. Well, now these systems become just activated and to inhale those particles. Hair-like structures called cilia sweeps this mucus into the throats for coughing or swelling. You are familiar with the various type of hairs present in our nostril cavity or nasal cavity. So that just to propel them to entering inside the body. So these just also secrete various type of mucus. So this mucus that is basically to engulf or just to make the patches with those foreign particles that these hair-like structures produce. So there is to these cilia sweep this mucus into the throat for coughing or swelling. You know when there is coughing, this is activation of there is some various type of there is changes take place. Maybe when there is some material that is present in your throat, maybe you swallow, maybe some children, some there is the whole person just swallow these materials that enter in our body, in our digestive systems. The first line of defense is the next is the saliva. This is what is inside the saliva. There is what the composition of the saliva. You are well familiar. Now, saliva contains many chemicals that break down the bacteria. So there are various types of enzymes, various types of other chemicals that are just to kill the now thousand different types of bacteria can survive these chemicals. So now when talking about these bacteria, so there is the saliva that kills all these type of bacteria by these chemicals. Let's talk about that. Now there is when we swallow these particles, the bacteria, maybe there are any other foreign particles that is entered in our stomach. You are well familiar what is present in our stomach. So there is a very strong acid HCl that having a very strong pH 1 or 2. So that kills all type of the bacteria inside the stomach. Now the stomach definitely there is must produce a coating of special mucus. This acids would eat through the stomach. Now you are and this is we are already discussed in detail in our previous presentations in the class or class lectures. Now think of the human body as a hollow plastic tubes. The food is digested within the hole in the tubes. What it never actually enter into the solid plastic materials. Why? So this is you will understand in the next